Worried about how a protective order will affect your relationship with your children? Here's what you need to know in the state of Indiana. Protective orders can impact child custody. Absolutely. So, one of the things they're allowed to do in a protective order is say, hey, there's domestic violence. Children aren't safe with the person that's committing the domestic violence. So, judges in a protective order case can very easily say, hey, you can't see your kids. There's all sorts of things that protective order judge can do. Make you pay rent on the house you can't live in no more. Pay child support because you can't see the children. But absolutely, it affects your relationship with your children if they're listed in a protective order. So if you get a protective order, you need to immediately see and read that protective order. What is it saying? What can and can I not do? Where can and can I not go? Who can and can I not contact? And children often are on there. We have seen protective orders be weaponized against people, and it's very tragic. Now, by statute, protective orders, especially involving children, are usually absorbed into the family law case because, well, the protective order judges understand that the family law judge is in a better situation to deal with child custody, child visitation, child support than a protective order judge. But if there's not a child support case, if there's not a family law case, well, then that protective order judge can take his best stab at it, and there can be some devastating consequences. So if you do get served a protective order, it's super important. If you have an active family law case, call your family law attorney. If you do not have an active family law case, call me. We will help navigate how a protective order is going to impact your relationship with your kids, your family, your home, all that stuff. And we understand this is scary. It can be scary. Maybe you're not scary, but it is scary. And protective orders can very easily turn into a criminal case. So it's so easy. It's like a trap door. It's so easy. And we understand it's frustrating. If you have any questions about Indiana protective orders, give us a call, 317-632-3642. We would love to talk to you about your case. But most importantly, remember to always plead the fifth.